Welcome back. Have you ever felt like your style doesn't quite reflect the woman you've become after 50? It's time to leave behind those outfits that no longer serve you and step into something that celebrates who you are today. Fashion after 50 isn't about trying to look younger. It's about embracing your own elegance, comfort, and confidence. And I'm here to introduce you to a new way of dressing, one that's effortlessly chic, yet incredibly comfortable: lazy luxury. Lazy luxury isn't about being lazy, it's about living with ease while still exuding sophistication. It's the kind of style that doesn't require you to chase trends, but instead allows you to pick pieces that make you feel like the best version of yourself. No need for piles of expensive items to feel fabulous, just well-chosen, comfortable clothes that still make a statement. Let's dive into how lazy luxury can transform your wardrobe and boost your confidence. Lazy luxury, the new fashion trend for women over 50. So what exactly is lazy luxury? And how can you incorporate it into your wardrobe? Let me break it down for you. Lazy luxury isn't about being careless with your style. It's about the perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. For women over 50, it's all about wearing pieces that feel easy, yet still look refined. Think of pairing a high-end coat with a pair of casual jeans or a sleek, elegant dress with comfy sneakers. It's about simplicity, but with a touch of class. This trend is a departure from what you might have heard about quiet luxury, which is all about subtle elegance. Lazy luxury, on the other hand, celebrates a more relaxed, natural form of sophistication. It's not about rigid rules or forcing yourself into the latest trends. It's about finding what works for you. And the best part? You don't have to compromise on style or comfort. What makes lazy luxury perfect for women over 50? It's about embracing a style that feels effortless, but still looks put together. No need to wear something just because it's in. Instead, focus on clothes that make you feel good, clothes that allow you to move through your day with ease, all while maintaining a sense of polished elegance. You can walk into any room feeling like yourself, comfortable, confident, and ready to take on whatever the day has in store. How to apply lazy luxury to your wardrobe. Now that we've defined lazy luxury, let's talk about how to bring it to life in your wardrobe. You don't need a whole new closet to get started. Just focus on a few key pieces that combine comfort with sophistication. For example, a lightweight, beautifully tailored coat can easily be paired with a cozy sweater and a well-fitted pair of jeans. Or, a chic, elegant dress can look effortlessly stylish when paired with comfortable sneakers. When it comes to lazy luxury, it's all about material and fit. Choose fabrics that feel good against your skin. Think soft wool, lightweight cashmere, or silky fabrics. These materials instantly elevate your look without the discomfort of stiff, over-the-top clothing. Also, focus on pieces that are versatile and timeless, like a soft cashmere sweater in a neutral color or a tailored blazer that can easily go from work to weekend. Colors and fabrics to consider. You don't need to go overboard with flashy colors or loud patterns. The beauty of lazy luxury lies in its simplicity. Neutral colors like soft beige, warm browns, and classic grays are easy to mix and match. These hues create a relaxed yet sophisticated vibe that feels comfortable without feeling overly done. Think of it as the opposite of flashy, subtle yet powerful. When it comes to fabrics, you want to look for things like fine wool, silk, and light cashmere. These materials not only look luxurious, but they're breathable and comfortable, making them perfect for everyday wear. And remember, comfort is key. If something doesn't feel good, you won't feel confident in it. Practical luxury, building a wardrobe for effortless elegance. Now, let's talk about how to actually build your wardrobe with lazy luxury in mind. The goal here isn't to fill your closet with countless trendy pieces. Instead, focus on timeless staples that make getting dressed effortless while still ensuring you feel put together. Start with the basics: A well-fitting pair of trousers or jeans that sit just right, a few perfectly tailored blazers that you can throw over any outfit, and some soft, elegant sweaters that add warmth without the bulk. These are the pieces that form the foundation of a lazy luxury wardrobe, simple, versatile, and effortlessly chic. Don't forget about outerwear. A high-quality, classic coat, think wool or cashmere, can instantly elevate even the most casual outfits. Pair it with your favorite jeans, and you've got a look that's both comfortable and sophisticated. And when it comes to shoes, opt for something that combines style and comfort. A sleek pair of flats or low-heeled boots can elevate your look without sacrificing comfort. Why invest in these key pieces? Investing in a few high-quality pieces might seem like a lot up front, but trust me, it's worth it. When you choose pieces that are timeless and versatile, you'll find that getting dressed becomes easier and faster. Plus, these high-quality staples will last for years, making them a smart investment for your wardrobe. You won't have to constantly buy new clothes or follow fleeting trends. Instead, you'll have a collection of pieces that make you feel elegant, comfortable, and confident every time you put them on. Fashion brands that embrace lazy luxury for women over 50. Now that you have an idea of how to create your lazy luxury wardrobe, let's talk about brands that truly embody this effortless elegance. Some brands are already ahead of the game, offering pieces that are luxurious but still practical enough for everyday wear. Brands like Toteme and Gabriela Hearst are perfect examples. These designers focus on creating high-quality, timeless pieces that never go out of style. Whether it's a tailored blazer, a beautifully cut dress, or a soft cashmere sweater, these brands offer clothing that feels luxurious, but doesn't scream, "Look at me." Instead, they help you look polished and refined, effortlessly. Why invest in these brands? It's simple. Women over 50 often want clothing that isn't just stylish, but also versatile and easy to mix and match. Investing in these types of brands allows you to build a wardrobe of pieces that work for every occasion, whether you're going out for a coffee with friends or attending a more formal gathering. These pieces are designed to be easy to wear, but still look chic, ensuring you can feel comfortable without compromising on style. Why lazy luxury is the future of fashion after 50. So why is lazy luxury such a game changer for women over 50? Because it lets you embrace a style that's authentic to you. You no longer need to chase after the latest trends or feel pressure to dress a certain way. Lazy luxury allows you to be yourself, confident, comfortable, and elegant in your own skin. As we get older, our lives change, and so do our priorities. We want clothes that make us feel good, not just look good. Lazy luxury is about embracing that shift, wearing pieces that are not only beautiful but also practical, easy to wear, and versatile. It's about making fashion work for you, not the other way around. And let's not forget, true luxury comes from within. It's how you feel when you step into your clothes. It's that sense of confidence that comes from knowing you're wearing something that reflects who you are without trying too hard. After all, elegance doesn't have to be complicated. It's simply about embracing who you've become and letting your style show it. So, are you ready to embrace lazy luxury and transform your wardrobe into one that truly reflects your authentic self? Start by focusing on comfort, simplicity, and quality. Choose pieces that are timeless and versatile, and don't be afraid to let go of the things that no longer serve you. If this video resonated with you, I'd love for you to share it with other women who might find it helpful. And don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more style tips and fashion inspiration for women over 50. Let's embrace elegance together, one effortless outfit at a time.